Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is Days of the Week. There are 7 days in 1 week. The first day of the week is Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and the last day is Sunday. After Sunday, we begin the cycle again from Monday up until Sunday. Then we repeat until the end of the week, month, and year. Now, let's discuss the day that comes before, after, and between. Now, let's study the order of the days. What comes before Thursday? If Thursday is here, the day before Thursday is Wednesday. So, if Wednesday is before Thursday, what comes after Thursday? Thursday is here. Therefore, the day after Thursday is Friday. Let's move on to the day that comes in between. What day comes in between Wednesday and Friday? Wednesday and Friday are here. So, the day that comes in between is Thursday. Let's have another example. What comes before Tuesday? If Tuesday is here, the day before Tuesday is Monday. What comes after Monday? If Monday is here, the day after Monday is Tuesday. What day comes in between Tuesday and Thursday? Tuesday and Thursday are here. So, the day that comes in between is Wednesday. Let's read and spell the days of the week. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Tuesday. 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 Wednesday. 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 Thursday. 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 Friday. 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 Saturday. 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 Sunday. 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 Now it's your turn to read the words. Thursday. Saturday. Wednesday. Sunday. Monday. Friday. Tuesday. Let's find out what comes before, in between, and after. What day comes before Monday? Sunday. What day comes after Monday? Tuesday. What day comes in between Sunday and Tuesday? Monday. What day comes before Saturday? Friday. What day comes after Saturday? Sunday. What day comes in between between Friday and Sunday? Saturday. Good job! I hope that you learned something today. See you on our next episode.